Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treats and thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we are making this amazing chicken wraps and you will love it. For our ingredients, we need some wraps. You can use any wrap of your choice. I'm using tortilla wrap today. We need some sauces and today I'll be using some ketchup, mayonnaise and garlic sauce. We also need vegetables. I have here some cabbage, carrot, spring onion, and tomatoes. You can use any vegetable of your choice. And for our spices to season our chicken, we need some thyme, salt, we need garlic powder and black pepper powder, and we need just 2 tablespoons of oil to fry it. And of course, we need our chicken. I have over here 800 grams of chicken breast. You can use also turkey if that is what you have available. All ingredients are listed in the description box below. We'll begin by marinating the chicken with salt, thyme, black pepper powder, and garlic. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done yet and turn on your notification to be notified whenever new videos are uploaded every week. So we'll be massaging the spices onto the chicken very well and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. In a bowl, we'll be adding our mayonnaise, ketchup, and garlic sauce. We'll mix this very well and then set it aside to use later. If you want to have this spicy, you can also add some sriracha sauce, which I will be showing you later on. Next, we'll be working on our vegetables. I'll be slicing the cabbage into smaller sizes so that it will be great for kids to have as well. You can use any vegetable of your choice for this recipe. I'm also using spring onion, and because of that, I'm not going to use the regular type of onion. Also, for the carrots, I'll be grating it so that it will be kid friendly. And finally, for our tomatoes, I like to have it de-seeded. So we'll set this aside and work on our chicken. In a pan, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and once that is hot enough, we'll be frying our chicken. I fry this on medium heat. And after about 10 minutes, it should be done. So our chicken is done. We'll take it outside and begin to assemble our wraps. We are all set to put everything together. As I previously mentioned, if you want this spicy, you can use the sriracha sauce over there to give it some added heat. We'll be tossing our vegetables together to ensure everything is well mixed. So there we have our wraps. You can also get this from the Turkish shops. Usually they have durum wraps written on the packaging. We'll be placing our chicken on it and we'll be then adding some vegetables to it. And finally, our sauce that we previously mixed. So that's our sriracha sauce. We'll be flipping one opposite end on top of each other and then begin to roll the other end. Ensure to tuck the ends into it. There we have it. We are done. Next, we'll be toasting this a bit in a pan, or you can also place it in an oven. And see how beautiful it's looking already. Another simple, easy, and lekker recipe you can easily make at home for your family and friends to enjoy. So we'll be cutting it to see how it looks. So beautiful, very nutritious and delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try at home and you'll love it. If you want to take this on the go, you can also wrap this in an aluminium foil and take it along with you. It's so simple, easy, convenient to make this meal. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!